Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we bring you tech tips and tutorials. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing your own extension in the Firefox browser. Whether you're a developer or just trying to personalize your browser, this guide will cover it all. Before we install an extension, let's make sure we have everything set up properly. First, you need to have Firefox installed on your computer. Open Firefox and click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser. Then, go down to Add-ons and Themes. You can also quickly access this by pressing CT or L plus Shift plus L. Once you're in the Add-ons Manager, head over to the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Debug Add-ons. This is where the magic happens. On this page, click on Load Temporary Add-on. Navigate to the folder where your extension files are saved. Choose the manifest.sin file, and voila! Your extension is now loaded. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up.